Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Monil, Deja, Agastya, Ashita, Dharmi, Iman. First time. Himanshi, अच्छा, Jamil, just Lakshya, Mayan, Milan, Shlok Upadhyay, Tirthak, Vyan, Kriship. Okay, these are the students. They have joined. Good morning, Himanshi. Good morning, beta. How are you all? All fine?
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, when do
Lakshya?
we have our next assembly?
We have every day.
So, ma'am, when I should do anchoring?
We have assembly Monday to Saturday. Okay.
Hello, ma'am.
मैम आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है अब आ रही है
Okay. Fine. It's good.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, Lakshya.
So, ma'am, when should I do anchoring?
Will you do on Monday?
Okay, ma'am.
You told me that you need time.
Yes, ma'am. Not more
Ma'am,
time, ma'am. One.
मैम वॉकिंग स्टार्स में से आपने वो वीडियो देखा मैंने वो बनाया पीपीटी
Speak
Ma'am,
in English,
how
beta.
to
Yes,
join
okay,
the
fine. No
assembly,
problem.
ma'am?
Discuss
Can you
later on.
tell me?
That, yes, I will explain everything after the prayer. Okay.
मैम
Okay, ma'am.
About assembly,
Ma'am,
we
you
will discuss
are
later on. Not what?
मैम I had shared that my PPT in the Rockstar group.
Yeah, I saw
Ma'am,
it.
your voice is cutting. Ma'am, how was it?
It was nice, but I will comment on it. Fine.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, we can make PPT or we have to make contact paper.
Choice is yours, beta. Okay, all of you. Now join your hands, close your eyes. We are going to start the prayer. Here I am going to play.
सरस्वती भगवती निःशेषजाड्यापहा Okay, all of you, now you can open your eyes. Can you see the screen sharing, all of you? Can you see the screen sharing?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, beta. Fine. So,
Ma'am, can you tell me how
yesterday
to
we
join
had-
assembly?
See, I will be sharing with you a link to join assembly.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. By clicking on that link, you can directly join the assembly. But before that, download Google Meet. Okay.
Google Meet. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. We'll discuss more after the class. Fine. Okay, these are the students they left for reading. Sahil, Dvija, Dharmi, Kevin, Milan, Rohan and Tirthak. Quickly start reading. Sahil Kumar.
Ma'am, I am starting. Ma'am, Milan Sinoji, I am starting.
Okay, Milan, start.
Yes, ma'am. Rakesh lives with his grandfather in a little cottage in the Himalayas foothills. His parents live in the small village 50 miles away, but there are no schools there, so Rakesh comes and lives in Mussoorie with his grandfather. One day when Rakesh was 7, he walked home from the Mussoorie bazaar eating cherries. They are very little sweet and little sour, small bright red cherries, which had come all the way from the Kashmir village. By the time he reached home, only 3 cherries were left. "Here a cherry, Dada," he said, as soon as he sees his grandfather in the garden. Grandfather took 1 cherry and Rakesh promptly ate the other 2. He kept the last seed in his mouth for a long time, rolled it around its tongue has gone. Then he placed the seed on his palm of his hand. "Are cherries still lucky?" he said. "Of course," said grandfather. "But nothing is lucky if you put it away. If you want lucky, you must put it to some use. What can I do with a seed?
Okay, Milan.
So
Milan,
Rakesh
Nojia.
Yes, ma'am.
Milan, is it audible to you?
Yes,
That's
ma'am.
enough, better, nice. Very good. You have
You are
improved a
audible.
lot. That's impressive. Now, Dharmi Mirza. Dharmi. Dharmi Mirza. If Dharmi is not reading, then Dvija Bhatt can read. If you are not reading, then I will give you 0 marks. 0 marks to Dharmi. Okay, Dvija Bhatt. Dvija and Dharmi at least reply. Rehan Kanjiani. Rehan Kanjiani. Not replying. Okay. Tirthak.
Ma'am, Rehan has replied in the chat box. Ma'am, Rehan has replied
Can I
in the
start
chat
reading?
box.
Ma'am, left.
Ma'am? Ma'am? Ma'am?
Facing problem. Okay, so I was asking to Dvija, Dharmi, Tirthak, Kevin and Sahil to read, and Rehan also.
Ma'am? Ma'am?
Yes. Tell me, Villa.
Ma'am,
That.
ma'am,
Yeah, Rehan.
Ma'am, can I
ma'am,
read? Ma'am, can I read?
ma'am,
Yes. Rehan.
Hello.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am.
Yes, I am.
Hello.
Tell me. Yes.
Hello. Ma'am, may I read?
ma'am,
My
ma'am, Milan Sinoji, how much marks got?
4.5.
Okay,
Hello. Ma'am,
Yes,
can
Shivam.
I read? Ma'am, can I read?
Wait, he is saying something. Listen to him. Yes, what happened?
Ma'am, I'm Rehan. I want to read.
Yeah, Rehan, I called your name. Read it.
Okay,
Read
ma'am.
page number
From
28.
Page number 28 from starting.
Not from starting. You read from what can I do with a seed?
What can I do with the seed? What can I do with the
Got it?
seed? Plant it. So Rakesh found a small space and began to dig up a flower bed. I will plant it here. I don't think that is good idea, said grandfather. I have sown mustard in that flower bed. Planted it in that shady corner where it won't be disturbed. Rakesh went to the corner of the garden. He pressed the seed into the soil with his thumb and it went right in. Then he had his lunch and ran off to play cricket with his friends. He forgot all about the cherry field. When it was winter in the hills, a cold wind blew down from the mountains and went woof, woof, woof in the deodar trees. In the evening, grandfather
Deodar
and
tree.
Rakesh sat near a charcoal fire, and grandfather told stories about people who turned into animals, beans that jumped, and stones that wept. Then it was spring when the wild buck flew more north again to Siberia. Early in the morning, when he got up to chop wood and light a fire, Rakesh saw the wing-shaped formation flying northward. Ma'am, done.
Okay, that's great. Yeah, Rehan, I'm giving you 4 marks out of 5. Fine.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now, Tirthak.
Voice is
See, within
cutting.
1 minute you will not start reading.
Ma'am, can I read?
There's a but I can hear you clearly. Yeah, Tirthak, start reading.
Ma'am, from where? From starting or from page number 29?
Page number 29.
Okay, ma'am. One morning in the garden, Rakesh bent to pick up what he thought was a small twig. He found to his surprise that it was well rooted. He ran to fetch grandfather, calling Dada. Come and look, the cherry tree has come up. What cherry tree? Asked grandfather. The seed we planted last year, look. They both bent down and peered at the tiny tree. Yes, it's a cherry tree, said grandfather. You should water it now and then. Rakesh went indoors and came back with watering can. Don't drown it said grandfather, laughing. Rakesh gave it a sprinkling and circled it with pebbles. What are the pebbles for? Grandfather asked. For privacy, Rakesh said. That year, the monsoon rains came early. Ferns sprang from the trunks of trees, and the trees dripped as the mist came curling up the valley. The cherry tree grew quickly in this season. It was about 2 feet high when a goat entered the garden and ate all the leaves. Only the main
Okay,
stem
thank you
and
so
two
much,
thin
Tirthak.
branches remained.
Very nice. You have also got, what is it, 4.5 marks out of 5. That's well done. Iman, over. Iman. Iman, are you there? Okay, all of you. So here I'm going to share with you uh, a reading video. Please watch and imitate it. Got it, everyone? I'm going to play that video. All of you, please pay your full attention.
Yes, ma'am. Your
Yeah,
voice
thank
is
you so
not
much.
coming. Okay, now your voice is coming.
Okay, fine. So here is that audio. Those are having problems in reading, they can improve. Fine. 1 minute. Let me get ready.
One day, when Rakesh was 6, home from the Masjid Bazaar, eating cherries. They were a little sweet, a little sour, small, bright red cherries, which had come
The video is talking.
here. Rakesh,
Maybe because of network issue, beta. See, if it is not clear, then you can download it. It's okay.
the outskirts of Mussoorie, just where the forest began. Grandfather was a retired forest ranger. He had a little cottage outside the town. Rakesh was on his way home from school when he bought the cherries. He paid 50 paise for the bunch. It took him about half an hour to walk home, and by the time he reached the cottage, there were only 3 cherries left. Have a cherry, Grandfather, he said as soon as he saw his grandfather in the garden. Grandfather took one cherry, and Rakesh promptly ate the other 2. He kept the last seed in his mouth for some time, rolling it round and round with his tongue until all the taste had gone. Then he placed the seed in the palm of his hand and studied it. Are cherry seeds lucky? Asked Rakesh. Of course. Then I'll keep it. Nothing is lucky if you put it away. If you want luck, you must put it to some use. What can I do with seed? Plant it. So Rakesh found a small spade and began to dig up a plant. Not there, said Grandfather. I've sown mustard in that bed. Plant it in that shade corner where it won't be disturbed. Rakesh went to a corner of the garden where the earth was soft and yielding. He had not to dig. He pressed the seed into the soil with a palm, and it went right in. Then he had his lunch and ran off to play cricket with his friends and forgot all about the cherry seed. When it was winter in the hills,
Yes, tell me. What happened, beta?
Ma'am, can you send the link in this one? Means in the chat box, because the audio is going very speedily and the video is very late. Means due to some internet connection.
Yeah, no problem. No, not at all. But you ensure that you all will watch this video and practice.
Okay, ma'am, we will
Okay.
practice.
Okay, fine. Then I'll be sharing with you the WhatsApp group. Is it okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Is it okay? Okay, fine. Fine. So today we are going to start the explanation part of the chapter, The Cherry Tree. Have you ever seen any cherry tree?
Yes, ma'am. When I was 7.
When you were 7 years old, that time. Where you have seen?
I have seen in the Himalayan, not Nainital, in the Nainital, on a tour trip.
Okay, that's great. That's wonderful. Now, what's your age?
Now my age is 14. Now it would be 14 at the 29 July.
29 July. There is party, that means. Okay, so after reading this chapter, we'll learn many things. But before that, before going to start with the introduction of the chapter, let us complete this warm-up page. You can see some crossword puzzles given in this page number 27. Solve it. I'm giving you 2 minutes time to solve it quickly. Yes?
Ma'am, I have solved it.
Okay. Then let me know what's your answer. Okay, I'm going to read for you the question and you give me the answer. Okay?
Ma'am,
Main part of the plant to which the leaves and flowers are joined.
Herb.
ma'am, herb.
No. No. Listen the question.
No, ma'am.
Across one. Main
Sorry,
part
ma'am,
of
same,
the
same.
plant to which the leaves and flowers are joined. That is stem. S-T-E-M, stem. Okay? Yeah.
Ma'am,
Write down stem.
no camera because of the I am saying that I am मतलब मैं आपको दिखा रहा हूँ कि मेरा पूरा हो गया.
Okay, that's okay. After this, you can show me. No problem. Fine. Now, next one is a small medical plant. What do you call a small medical plant? Herb. H-E-R-B. Herb. Okay, fine. Now, across question number 3, low bushes.
Shrub.
Shrub. Okay, will you tell me the spelling of shrub? S-H-R-U-B-S, shrub. Okay, fine. Next question is 5th number, across one. Plants growing along the ground or up wall or tree. Let me take some. Climber.
Yes, ma'am, climber.
Yeah.
Sapling.
Climber, it can be a climber, it can be a creeper also. You're saying that ground and wall. Okay. Climber, it climb. Creeper, it creep. So both can be the answer. Okay. Now the noun was a very young plant. What do you call it? A very young plant. Sapling. Yes. What is the spelling of sapling?
S-A-P-L-I-N-G.
Ng. Okay, fine, that's great. Now 5th number, uppermost branches of a leafy tree. What do you call?
Seeds.
Uppermost? No.
Creepers.
5th number I'm reading.
Ma'am,
Uppermost branches of a leafy tree.
Canopy.
Yes, ma'am.
Canopy. C-A-N-O-P-Y. No, it is not creeper. It is canopy. Okay. Now, next question, 6th number. Okay. The small parts of a fruit from which another plant grows. Seeds. Seeds. Write down seeds. Okay. Seeds. Great. So you have done all the answers, right? So let's go for the introduction of the chapter, the cherry tree. Okay. After reading this cherry tree chapter, we learn to see the beauty in simple things. Okay. This is the first outcome that we will get from this chapter, that we will find beauty in simple things. Fine. Next thing we will understand or identify the various parts of the story, the beginning of the story, the middle of the story, and the ending of the story, that we can identify through this chapter. Okay. Next, we are going to analyze and compare the characters. As you all know that there are two characters or important main characters in this chapter. One is grandfather and another is the grandchild. His name is Rakesh. Okay, there are two main characters in this chapter. Now next is to recognize, we will recognize the bond sharing between grandfather and grandchild. As you all know that your grandparents love you so much, right? Unconditional love, you can say. They care you, they love you, they take care of you, and they think about you a lot. Okay, so it is significant for all the grandparents. They usually do for their grandchild. Yes, do you have your grandparents at your home? They live with you?
Yes,
Maybe you can understand better. Okay, you can understand better how they protect you from your parents, if they scold you or take favor of you. So it's a natural thing for grandparents. Okay, now moving to the chapter, as you have understood that Rakesh's grandfather, he is a retired ranger. Okay, and he stays in Mussoorie, and that is in a small village in the Himalayan foothill. Okay, this is the first thing that has been described at the beginning. So here I'm going to read and explain you at the same time. If you face any difficulty to understand, please let me know. And if you don't understand any word, ask me so that I will tell you the meaning of those. Fine. Rakesh lives with his grandfather in a little cottage in the Himalayan foothills. Okay, so Rakesh was living with his grandfather, and his grandfather, he stayed in a little cottage. Okay, and the cottage was in the Himalayan foothills. What is the meaning of foothills? Will you tell me?
Yes, ma'am. Can I?
You have studied in SS, right? Tell me.
Ma'am, foothill is the type of the hill which has the steps downward, means terrace farming.
Downward. That's great. Fine. Thank you so much, Agastya. His parents live in a small village 50 miles away, but there are no schools there. So Rakesh comes to live in Mussoorie with his grandfather. So what happened? Rakesh's grandfather, he was staying in Mussoorie, and his parents, they stay in a small village, and it is 50 miles from Mussoorie, and there was no good school. So Rakesh came to his grandfather for further study. Okay, this is the introduction of the story. If you have any doubt in introduction, let me know. Where was his grandfather?
Living in Mussoorie.
Okay. What is the name of the boy?
Rakesh.
Where his parents live?
When his parents live, they live 50 miles away from
Small village.
In a small village.
It is 50 miles away from Mussoorie. Why is Rakesh shifted to Mussoorie?
Because there were no school in that small village.
study meant or education.
There are
He traveled.
no school in his village. Okay, fine. Into the story. One day, when Rakesh was 7, he walked home from the Mussoorie bazaar eating cherries. So this is the scene. It is one day when Rakesh was 7 years old. Okay? He was just walking to his home. He bought some cherries and started eating while walking to home. And he bought the cherry from Mussoorie bazaar. What is the meaning of bazaar? Bazaar means
Ma'am, where things are sold.
Market.
yes, where things are sold. They were little sweet and little sour, small bright red cherries which had come all the way from Kashmir Valley. Okay, so he bought some cherries. While coming to home, he started eating. Okay, and he described that the cherry was little sweet, little sour, and it was small and bright red in color. Okay, this is the describing word that has been described, which had come all the way from Kashmir Valley, and the cherry.
जाने से पहले ही पंखा चालू करे जाना देखो दिख सुनाई नहीं देता.
Ma'am, who was that?
Gracie.
Gracie. That's okay. Gracie is has been done. Then may I start? Okay, so the cherry had been brought from Kashmir Valley. Okay, so what is the color of cherry?
Red, pink, or magenta also.
Magenta. It
Yes,
is
ma'am.
red color, right?
Yes, ma'am. Red in color, but sometimes magenta also means in Kashmir the red pinkish cherry are found. In Nainital the magenta color means little bit pinkish color it is.
Pinkish color. It's known as little bit like tomato type color, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Not fully. It's not blood red. It's like pinkish red. Okay. By the time he reached home, only 3 cherries were left. Okay. He ate all the cherries, and when he reached home, he had only 3 cherries left in him. Yes, tell me, beta.
Ma'am, I am having pinkish red cricket ball. Can I show?
What? What do you want to see? Are you going to show us? Okay. Fine. Moving to next. So when he reached home, he had only 3 cherries left. Right? So have a cherry, Dada, he said, as soon as he saw his grandfather in the garden. Okay. So when he entered to his home boundary, that means you can say, so he saw his grandfather was standing in the garden. So looking at his Dada or grandfather, he offered his grandfather to eat some cherry from that. Okay. Fine. As usual, when you meet somebody and you're eating something, you offer someone to have something. Okay. Grandfather took one cherry and Rakesh promptly ate the other 2. Okay. When you offer someone, they eat a little part from that. Okay. They take a bite from your food. They don't eat whole food. Fine. So this is the manner, you can say. Fine. If somebody offer again, then you can think about that. So the grandfather took only 1 cherry, and after that the boy promptly, that means quickly, without thinking much, he ate remaining 2 cherries. Okay. He kept the last seed in his mouth for a long time, rolling it around until the tang had gone. Then he placed the seed on the palm of his head. Okay. So as you all know that like gooseberry, cherries, berries, they are rectangular, right? And we like to keep in our mouth for a little longer time. So he ate the last 2, but one seed he threw out, and the last seed he just rolled around and around till the tang had gone. Okay. Then he took out
Yes.
from his mouth, he placed that seed on his palm. Okay. Are cherry seed lucky? He asked. He asked to his grandfather that whether the cherry seeds are lucky or not. Of course,
Ma'am?
said grandfather. Yes, beta.
Ma'am, can I say one fact about cherry seed?
Yeah, no problem. Tell me.
Means local tribes of the Himalayan use the cherry tree for attacking as the cherry tree pointed. It is the end is means sharp. It is a sharp end of the cherry seed is sharp, so they are using for fighting as a bullet.
Which bullet?
Means seed, a cherry seed is used as a bullet in a tribal of the Himalayas.
Okay. Oh, that's wonderful then. Even we also used to play with that tamarind seed. You know,
Yes, ma'am.
the black color seed, tamarind seed. We also used to
Yes.
play with that. Okay. Moving to next. Then what happened? So the boy asked to his grandfather that whether the cherry seeds are lucky or not. Of course, said grandfather, but nothing is lucky if you put it away. If you want luck, you must put it to some use. What is the meaning of this sentence? Tell me. What is the meaning of this sentence?
Ma'am, if we will put anything else without using it, then it will be useless. It will be useless of anything. If we will use it and
Yes.
then it will be useful.
Luck. That's wonderful. Good answer, Isha. Anyone wants to say anything about this question? Yes, Jas Patel. Janil. Janil,
Ma'am, your
are you there? Now is it clear? Okay.
Yes,
Grandfather said, okay, thank you, beta. So the grandfather said that, okay, nothing is lucky if you put it away. That means if you don't use the things, it is not lucky for you. If you throw it, that means it will not bring you luck. But if you use it wisely, it will bring you luck in your life. Right? What can I do with the seed? So the boy was little confused. He was not knowing that he didn't know what to do with the seed. He simply add the cherry as usual. Okay, he did earlier. So he threw so many cherry seeds. But lastly, he is asking that what to do with the seed. Plant it. So grandfather replied that he can plant it. So Rakesh found a small place and began to dig up a flower bed. I will plant it here. So the boy, that means Rakesh, he found a place. He dig up a flower bed and he put the seed into it and said that I will plant it here. Fine. I don't think that is a good idea, said grandfather. Grandfather said that it was not at all a good idea to put or plant the seed in that place. I have sown mustard in that flower bed. Plant it in that shady corner where it won't be disturbed. Okay. So the grandfather said that he had put or sown some mustard seed on it. So he said that the boy should plant it somewhere else. Where? Near the shady corner. Okay. And so that nobody can disturb to grow it. Okay. Now the question is that do you agree with grandfather what he say about luck? do you agree with what grandfather says about luck?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me why. Yes, but why?
As he was talking about the specific activity which was growing or growing the cherry, because from this word we can say the boy means Rakesh likes to eat a cherries a lot, so he would try to convince the Rakesh to grow the cherry tree by his own method and eat from that cherry tree and don't waste money for the market cherry trees.
That's okay. Fine. And what could be the other reason?
Ma'am, if we
Anyone
will
wants
keep
to-
anything aside, then it will be useless for us. If we will use it and make something with it, then we can use it. Anything can't be lucky itself.
Yes, that's great. Nice. So, we all are agree with what grandfather says about luck. And we will definitely practice. Yes or no?
We will practice, ma'am.
Definitely.
Yes,
That's what we can learn from this. Okay. So the grandfather said that is not good place to plant, and he suggested the boy to plant somewhere else. Okay, near some shady area, so that it could not be disturbed. Rakesh went to the corner of the garden. So he went to the corner of that garden, that means their garden. He pressed the seed into the soil with his thumb and it went right in. Then he had his lunch and ran off to play cricket with his friends. He forgot all about the cherry seed. So what happened? He agreed to grandfather. He went to the corner of the garden. He pressed the cherry seed into the soil with his finger. Right? It's his thumb, that means. Okay, you press with thumb, that means you give more force, right? And it is easy to that means get into or push into. So it went right in. When he pushed it, it went right in that soil. Then he had lunch. It was lunch time, so had his lunch, delicious lunch. After that, he ran out to play with his friends. Which game he played? He played the game of cricket with his friends. After that, he forgot about the cherry seed, okay, and left it like this. He didn't care, that means. Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No doubt?
No, ma'am.
Nice.
No, ma'am.
Okay. I'm going to ask you one question, right? All of you?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. The word is of 10 letters. How many letters? 10 letters word. Okay. Beginning 5 letters means big.
Ma'am, grandfather.
Wow.
Grandfather.
Okay, congratulations. Congratulations. Okay, the word is of 4 letters. Okay, beginning 3 letters are the meaning of or synonym of look.
Rakesh.
The word Rakesh, how can be synonym of look? The word is a 4 letters. 4 letters word. The beginning
Ma'am, oil.
seed.
Yeah.
Okay. Huh? Okay. Got it. The last question that I'm going to ask to you. It is 5 letters word. Got it? It is 5 letters word. Last 3 letters, if you add, it is a name of an animal. 5 letters word. If you add last 3 letters, it is a name of an animal.
Ducks.
No, it is in page number 28.
Lucky.
Lucky, ma'am.
No, how can we? Which animal you found?
Ma'am, horse.
Okay, without wasting your time, I'm just asking you. Huh? It is plant, beta. P-L-A-N-T. Got it?
Ma'am, which is
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let me take.
Ma'am, which is the animal?
A-N-T, ant. Oh, insect. Sorry. I did mistake. It's okay. Okay, fine. All of you, I have taken your attendance. Now you complete your project work that I had given you, and do complete synthesis 1 in your worksheet. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Bye, all of you. Take care.
Bye, bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Ma'am,
Agatha,
when
is this a
we
picture
discuss
of
about
your
assembly?
I will discuss in the group, okay? We have group, no? 8th class group, there I will be discussing.
Okay, ma'am.
Bye all of you, take care. Thank you so much for being nice in my class, participated nicely. Thank you so much everyone.